Hey, Larry here. What's up? What's up? It's all good here. Ain't nothing but a thing, my friends. All right. So, what's happening? Well, let's see. Stuff to talk about. Just chat. Gonna just do what I do. Blabber. Okay. So, on the 29th of this month, that's a Friday, at 8 p. Central Time, I'm going to be doing a Zoom Pen Hangout with
Hiran.
And he is the maker of the
Magna Carta
fountain pen. So, he will be on. And, you know, for those people that have heard of Magna Carta and really don't really know a lot about that line of fountain pens, or for those who haven't heard about that brand, I think it's a really good time for you to join me and Heron on Zoom Friday, the 29th at 8 Central Time. Also, Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper will be joining us as well, because he does carry some of those pens from Magna Carta. Okay, so now, Heron, and we talked, was it yesterday? Anyway, we talked a bit already, and his family may be joining us as well, because what I've learned now that it's a family operation. They all are involved. They all help get these pens ready, and they do such a magnificent job. And then he's going to be telling you about the nib size that he has now, and about the new nib that he's working on now that's going to be coming out, in-house made, the screw-in nib. He's going to go over the whole pen for you, the material used. So I think we need to hear his voice. I want you to hear Heron's heart, the enthusiasm that this gentleman has, that his whole family has to create such a nice pen. And I think at an affordable price. I mean, like, the man works constantly creating, thinking, planning, prototypes continuously. Does this work? Yes. Well, this doesn't work. I'll take this out and put this in. Let's try this, that. It's endless, you know, because his pens represent him. So, rest assured, he's doing everything he can to make him a pen maker that's accepted here in the U.S. And I think it's about time the walls to come down, let this gentleman in, and give him a try. You can look up Magna Carta fountain pens on Federalist Pens and Paper. Frank does carry some on there, I believe. So I want you to stay tuned for that. That's going to be awesome. Really, it really is. And then in February, don't forget the Pen Pal meetup we're going to have. Now, it's either going to be on the 2nd or on the 9th, but I need to get with Tony to make sure of those dates, and then I'll let you all know. But on the 12th of February, that's on a Friday at 6:30 p. Central Time, we're going to have the Fort Worth Pen Club meeting. So everybody come on and hang out, okay? Then I'm just going to have a hangout on my Zoom channel on Monday, the 22nd at 6:30 p. We can just hang out and bond, you know? Can you dig that? So that's what's going on right now. Plus, I got some other things in the works right now that I won't mention. Well, that's going to do it, my friends. I got the phone ringing. God bless. Peace, love. Don't text and drop. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.